Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to log in the websites without knowing the password and usernames. For this, I'm going to take care the Altoro Mutual website. This is one of the vulnerable website. It's similar to the banking application. So in this Altoro Mutual application, I'm going to open now. Just go to YouTube and just type Altoro Mutual login. So the testfire.net or Altoro testfire.net, the official website. So here you can see altoro.testfire.net. This is the URL and you can able to see here it's a normal HTTP request only. It's not a HTTPS. You can't able to see any security certifications. You can see they're not secure. So in this website, previously developed by IBM, officially it was developed by IBM in 2008 and till 2017 this website by owned by IBM. After 2017, HCL now managing this website. They have bought from IBM. In this current year, they are handling this. This is the completely similar to one of the banking application, but it has n number of vulnerabilities related to the OWASP, worldwide open worldwide application security testing. The OWASP related top 10 issues you can able to test from this website. In this video I am going to log in without knowing the username and password and just going to log in with the admin normal password also. So just I'm going to explain how to log in to the Altoro Mutual website. So here you can see the sign off. Just click the sign off. Already I have logged in or something showing. So I'm clicking the sign in. Now I'm going to type the simple username and password. So for example, we can just type admin. So generally we will give the admin username as admin and password also admin here. This is the by default username and password for this website. Most of the users they will create the simple password and usernames. By default, the admin password should not accept only the letters or only the ABCD like these characters, because the password should be special characters, small letters, capital letters and numbers also, and the password should be minimum 10 characters like that. Here I'm just giving admin and admin. I'm going to try login. Just we will check if I click the login, is it logging or not. Yes, it is logged in. It's showing sign in and here it's showing hello welcome admin user. So I can able to log in with the admin username privileges. Here I'm going to see the corporate and checking this is all normal bank account, like how we have the any banks like the top banks we have HDFC, Axis, ICICI, similar kind of application. This here we can see it's a demo site completely. So just I'm going to click the account. Yeah, it's opening. It's showing the account history and all. We can able to see how much withdrawal happened, how much inserted paycheck, all the details we can able to see. So here without knowing username and password, just I'm giving admin and admin. Admin and admin is the default password for this site and the password is very small letter and like it's only 5 characters. The password having 5 characters and it does not have any special characters, any capital letter or any numbers. Just I'm giving the small letters admin, it's accepting to login. So here the password should be restricted with the top minimum 10 characters and the password should has admin like a capital letter, small letter, numbers and special characters needs to be included. Also nowadays you can include the two-factor authentication. Like whenever we trying to log in any website, it should send the OTP to the mobiles. In the mobile we need to accept that. Like that we need to integrate. Then the website should be more secure. So now I have completed with the admin level privileges. Now I'm going to log in without knowing any username and password. So what I'm going to do here, just I sign out and trying to sign in again. Just I'm giving. the existing format like without knowing username and password. I'm going to enter dash space r space dash 1 again dash equal again dash then 1 again dash and then hyphen hyphen. So I'm just giving the username alone. Just I'm copying this username. I'm going to click the login. Here it is expecting the password, valid password. I am going to give any, the password, it's anything. Just I'm entering one character A. That's it. Just I'm going to log in now. I'm not entering any password. Username also I don't know. Just I'm giving this some syntax like this, and in the password field is I'm just enter one character. I'm going to try to log in now. Just we can check it now. Yes, it accepting. It accepting with the admin privilege users because it's not validating username and password both. It's not validating, just accepting the what I have given some special character symbols. It's accepting. Now we can able to see more number of bank accounts. It has the full complete admin privileges and it's showing a number of bank accounts. What are the things we have: credit card, savings bank, checking, all the things we can able to see. So here the username and password we don't know, but we can able to hack the website. We can able to log in and we can, if required, we can able to modify these websites. So like the that we can able to do this. So in this video you are clear, I think, now how to log in the Altoro Mutual without knowing username and password and with the simple username like admin privileges also. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you don't like the video, please click two times. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please click subscription, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your valuable time. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.